unboxing video. It's a boxing tiny box sofa. Nice.
Wow.
What is it? Oh, plastic welding gun. Nice. Where'd you get it from?
That's money. I don't know, Crystal ordered from Amazon. Look, it comes with some wire cutters.
Uh-huh.
Got all the little plastic repairy things. You know how these work?
How?
I don't know. Look. It's a heat gun, and then you put these in there,
Uh-huh.
and you just melt them into, like, say this plastic was broken in right there.
Right.
You just.
Uh-huh. So he didn't really need it.
How much was it?
$50.
$23.
Do I ever buy something that's cheap for you?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We're gonna repair that little crack. They have to fit. It came with it. All right. Where's the... Oh, I see it. Okay. So it leaves those things in there? Or it's not supposed to?
Yeah, it melts it in. You see that? Like it melted in there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then you just cut
Yeah, aren't they like wire cutters? They're not very good
These are wire benders.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Be a little sharp.
put tape right there.
They're in different shapes.
Yeah.
You cut it off already? Where is it? I don't even see it.
Oh, right there.
Oh,
And just
okay.
that's where this comes in.
Let's just move it out, right?
Oh, okay. So like with wood, you have a sander. With this, it smooths out the plastic.
You're correct.
Ah, it's pretty cool. So it doesn't look like anything happened. Nice. So you saw it and you think it's something you could use?
Margaret, I need it. So like, yeah.